What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to screenshot restricted content on Android. Now there are two options we'd like to share with you, and the first option is with Google Assistant. So first things first, you'll need to open the restricted content and then activate Google Assistant. You can say, "Hey Google," if this is how it activates, or of course you could long press the power or home button. For this device, once we tap and hold on the home button or the bottom of the screen, Google will be activated. Then we're going to say, "Take a screenshot." Now once we go over to our gallery, you can see that we have the photo that we took by asking Google Assistant to take it. So try this on the restricted page and see if it works. The second method is to use the screen recording option. So go ahead and use your Android's built-in screen recorder from the quick settings panel. In order to do that, you can swipe down from the top and then you can see screen record. We're currently recording the screen. That's why it's currently showing stop. However, you can tap on screen record and start a record right there on the restricted page or the restricted content and see if it records successfully. For these options, you might have a black or white blank screen, and this is normal because by default it's actually restricted. However, by trying these two options, you stand a chance of successfully screenshotting a restricted content. Do let us know in the comments section if you succeeded in any of these methods. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to screenshot restricted content on Android.